Makenna and I are going to play with Play Doh today. So
we're
we're going to switch
I
already got all the yellow out, so we're just going to smooth it out with this. Push it down a little. Okay, and then we're going to cut out little pieces at a time. Okay. So, and then we're going to put all the Play Doh pieces in the Play Doh Castle. Then once as you put all the yellow Play Doh in, and then you put the top on, then you are going to get as much as you could. You don't have to have the same color. It will still work. It could work with orange, yellow, or if you have blonde like us, it'll work just fine. But it's hard when you do different colors.
Look at me,
I'm just using yellow because we lost, because it matches this, because
I see Mama.
So one time I did it, it was really hard. So you have to be really strong. If it's not in the hole, it won't work.
Look at my two. I step on my two because I didn't know that.
What? Gonna cut a few more pieces, and it's off to the cool part. Okay, if you just smush it down, it won't work. So you gotta cut off the parts with this, if you have this, or with your finger if you don't have what I just showed you.
Master ball.
So if you do, you just have to cut it off with it. So let me show you what I mean. Okay, so if you have this and you just put it in full, it'll look like this and it won't work. So that's why you gotta cut it off with your fingers or with this. Since we have this, it's fine. If you don't, it's much harder.
Okay, why don't you show what it makes?
So, we almost got all of it, and we're done with the yellow. Just gonna cut off a little, and then we're off to the
Put this on.
Okay, we put this on. As you can see, as we push harder, like this, see how it goes? The hair grows. So if you push hard enough, it grows even more.
Oh, hello.
So if you're doing it wrong, it gets stuck in there.
Wow.
And it's really hard to get out.
Look, hello, Dave. Let's come up there.
And you just put it like this.
Okay, are you done now?
And then you just, if you don't like doing it with this, you just use your finger.
Okay. Well, that was nice. Thank you for showing us that.